Now, I've just got a severe rollicking off my wife because of this item that was sent to me ages ago. And I did a little review of it, an unboxing. I'll put the link up the top there of the screen. But the reason I've just got the bollocking is I forgot to take it out of my pocket when I've washed my trousers that I've just come back from a camp with, and it was in the washing machine up to its eyes in water, and look, it's charging. It's still working. Oh dear. Anyway, once it's charged, let's see if the lights work. Well, actually I thought I'd do a quick look at this before it's fully charged. It's literally less than a minute since I filmed. Oh. There's the light unit, there's the switch for it. Ready? It still works. Hello, dog wants to see. What do you reckon, dog? Yeah, works fine, folks.